Percentage decrease. As we mentioned at the beginning of this tutorial, percentage decrease is the inverse of percentage increase of an amount. Thus, to obtain the value of a given percentage decrease, we must subtract the new percentage from the old one. Mathematically, we have the following shown on screen. For example, if there is a 30% discount on the price of an item, the new price will be 70% of the original, since the original price represents the whole, which when written as a percentage gives 100%. Here, the discount represents the percentage decrease while the new price is expressed as a percentage of the original. On the other hand, when we know the new and the old values expressed in numbers and not in percentages, we can use the formula shown in the following on screen. Example: an item cost $125, but after a discount, it became $90. What is the percentage decrease of this item? Solution: we can use two approaches to solve this exercise. The first is to express the new price as a percentage of the original, old percentage, which on the other hand represents the percentage of the whole, 100%. Hence we have the following shown on screen. We have the following shown on screen. We obtain the following shown on screen. Thus, we obtain the following shown on screen. This result can be obtained using a shorter approach, i.e. by directly using the formula shown in the following on screen. We obtain the following shown on screen. That is all for lesson 5.3.3. To continue this tutorial, please watch 5.3.4, finding the original value after a percentage change. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.